Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Galaxy wearable application. Once the devices are paired, you can continue and open the Galaxy wearable application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the device page for your Galaxy Watch 5. Now, before we reset the watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. As you can see, mine battery is at least 80%, so it's fine. And now let's continue. So let's scroll down through the page, find the option called Watch Settings, tap on it, scroll down, find the option called General, select it, and here scroll down and find the option called Reset. Tap on it, and then tap on this big reset button. And as you can see, the watch was removed from the app. The watch itself should start resetting itself. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen of your watch, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.